Hello, welcome back to my channel for another exciting hotel review. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my experience at the Tasman Luxury Collection Hotel situated in the beautiful state of Tasmania. As an avid traveler and hotel lover, I was excited to check out the highlights and lowlights of this luxurious property, as well as explore the various membership benefits available to the guests. So as a married Titanian, I have booked this hotel through American Express FHR program, which provided me with exclusive perks during my stay at this hotel. I'll be sharing with you about all the benefits available to members and also how they have enhanced my experience at this hotel. Additionally, I'll be taking you through the weekend market, which is also one of the must-visit destinations if you're going to stay at the Tasman Luxury Collection Hotel. So now sit back, relax and come along with me as I'm going to provide you a glimpse into a luxury weekend getaway at the Tasman Luxury Collection. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, as every Friday I'll be uploading one hotel review video to my channel, and thank you very much for your support. I hope you enjoy this video. Guys, we have just parked our car right here at Wilson's parking. We're gonna walk from here to the hotel. It's gonna take us about like 7-minute walk from here, so it's not that far away. Just walk along this street. If you see the cream building with the glass over the top, that one must be the Tasman Hotel. The Tasman is actually the first one, and so far the only one luxury collection hotel in Australia. It's a bit busy today. This is Macquarie Street. Hello. This is the main entrance. You can see this the Tasman. So it's on the 12 Macquarie Street. Tasman, the luxury collection. Hello, how are you?
You checking in?
Yeah, we're gonna check in. Yeah, thank you. Lobby. Thank you.
Okay, you got sparkling wine or sparkling water?
Just got myself a glass of sparkling water. Oh, our room is not ready yet. Currently it's about 1:45 or 1:40, 1:50. This is the hotel restaurant Pina, and that is the hotel's Mary Bar. Mary. Parliament Square. There's a small market here, so we're gonna have a look. This is market. This is pretty. Donuts, yum.
Thank you. You have a great day. Good luck with the season.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm retired. Actually, my wife's Try some nougat.
Thank you.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Tasmania Travers. Bon Vivre.
What part of the world are you from, Nancy? Where exactly? Is it sort of around here or something on the map?
This is Queen, so it's close to Queen, just somewhere
fantastic.
here.
Yeah.
Just turn left at this wall.
To left, okay.
This way. Pina's down here and Mary if you need to go. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
That's okay. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
So this is the old heritage area. This used to be a hospital in the 1800s. So I think 1845 it was St Mary's Hospital.
Okay, thank you.
So if you put your key on there, and it should just open up. I'll let you work.
Thank you very much. Oh, Wow, it's pretty. Hey guys, we just had a bit of walk on the market. Highly recommend you to have a walk there. And now our room is ready and I feel so excited. Have a look at this floor mat. We got this full-length mirror right here and a lovely bench. We put our luggage and the bags over this side. And look at this wall. Then coming to this side, this is a sliding door. So very classic modern marble design. Bathtub on the right side. And then we got this is the milk oat and honey bath soap bar. We got a hair dryer in a pouch, and the first time ever we got the toilet paper in the pouch as well. Toothbrush cup, yeah, like a whisk cup. The amenities is from Alchemist. Got a lot of amenities inside it. The bathrobe, the Tasman Hobart printed. Then we got a separate shower room on this side, nice and clean. Then come to the what do you call the middle of this building, the middle part of this room. We got our complimentary drink session on my left side, and in this lovely cabinet, got some coffee mugs on the left, and a kettle just right here, and got some wine glasses and glasses there. Got some coffee capsules from Nespresso and some tea bags from Tasman, India. This is the mini fridge. So we just pull this one out. We got a lot of drinks inside it. And here we got some snacks, more glasses and a can opener. Look at this one. So cute. This is the bathrobe inside it. Iron and iron board. This is the iron. I just want to open and check the quality of these slippers. Yeah, very good quality. You can feel the weight of these slippers. Yeah, it's our bedroom. I really love it. So soft, so comfy. And over that side, we got two glasses side tables and two complimentary waters over there. So we got the charging sockets, and see the USB sockets. They had two different types. And this is the Bluetooth speaker, and I got two USB outlets here, and this one is also a wireless charging docket. Also got some complimentary amenities from the hotel, and this is the chocolate. It's called Tasmania apple wedges. We've got a bottle of wine here. Small working desk. It's great.